If you saw this question on the March SAT, I can almost guarantee you that you would either get it wrong or waste way too much time solving it. So let me show you the easiest way to do it. We are given this table that shows x and f of x, where f of x is defined as this and g of x is defined as this. And we need to find g of 3. First thing that you should always do when you're given a table in Desmos and you're working with functions, let's just put in a table. So I'm going to put 2 comma 5, then 7 comma 42, and then 9 comma 126. Now notice that the x is now x1 and f of x is y1. Now what I'm also going to do is at some point I'm going to have to find out g of x. So I'm actually just going to put this into my regression table and make sure every time you see an x, you make it into x1 by just typing 1 after x. Then what I need to do is on the next line, I need to define this equation. But I can't write f of x. I need to write y1 and I also can't write g of x. I need to substitute this into here. What I'm going to do is I'll write y1 and then I'm going to write a squiggly line because I'm using regression. It is equivalent to ab to the x1 plus cx1. And then I'll have minus x. And then we should divide all of this by x1 plus 4. Now it tells us what all of these are. And you actually can see now what g of x is. And so if I just put in 3 for x1, it's going to tell me that it is 6. So g of 3 is going to be 60.